How to buy Google Meet Premium. The first things first is pull up your Google Chrome for you to be able to go to the meet.google.com/pricing. Now, these are going to be the features or the subscriptions that you can choose for you to be able to buy a premium. First things first is a business starter, which allows you to have at least 30 gigabytes pulled storage per user. Now, under Business Standard, you will be given 2 terabytes, and for Business Plus, that's going to be 5 terabytes, and so on and so forth. So first things first is you'll have to choose on how or um, what would your Google Meet is going to be used to. So if you're going to be using Google Meet as for your business standard, then you can go ahead and choose this option right here and just simply click on Start Free Trial. Google Meet Premium will provide you a free trial for maybe a week or a month, depending on your usage. And all you have to do, if you agree to the specific feature given out to you, your credit card or the payment method that you choose to pay for Google Meet Premium will automatically be a recurring payment. So for you to get started, you just have to input your business name and the number of employees, including you, for you to be able to go ahead and get started on the specific plan that you choose from Google Meet Premium. So that's it. That's how you purchase or that's how you buy Google Meet Premium.